What do we have here? What do we have here? Getting it loaded up. We're getting it drilled out. What a beauty. What a freaking beauty. What a beauty. All aluminum decking. Two words, Duradeck, baby. So we got the height set with the pucks. We double pucked on mine because the Ford's got a little lip on their tailgate. Everything's super slick. Aluminum decking, this is the Platinum. Caliper glides. New LEDs, rubber grommets this year. Tougher caps. And so after we lifted it up, we dropped down these legs so we can set our custom height, drill our hole, and then put our bolt in. And then after that, got a couple of turnbuckles and some straps, keep it from moving around. I'll update you guys once we get these lights put in. Alright, we're all hooked up. Got the switches on. Box lights. Deck lights. Oh, the underglow. Yeah. Epic. Got our height set, we got all the turnbuckles on, and she's ready to go. Awesome. Oh, baby, looking good. I'm having him ride the Polaris up. Because I'm allergic to Polaris. So easy, a caveman can do it. Beauty. Yeah, I'll take the key out of that thing. Well, that's a wrap for the day. Rolling out to Fairbanks. Shout out everyone that came out. Thanks for videoing, Dove. I'll get that backflip next time. Alaska Sled Vlog's over and out. Oh, shoot! So yeah, that's it. Duradeck walk around. Picked up the new Platinum. Rolling out. Trucks ride better with Duradecks on them. It's a fact.